Raw mushrooms often appear in salads, wraps, and veggie platters, touted as healthy, natural, and full of nutrients. But the truth is, eating mushrooms raw may not be the smartest nutritional choice. In fact, cooking mushrooms not only makes them safer, but also makes them significantly more beneficial to your body. It's a case where the raw food myth, that uncooked always means healthier, doesn't hold up under scrutiny. Let's start with safety. Many commonly consumed mushrooms, including the ubiquitous white button mushroom, contain a naturally occurring compound called agaritine. Agaritine is a hydrazine derivative, and while it's not acutely toxic, some animal studies have suggested it may have carcinogenic properties in high doses. The research is still evolving, and the overall risk to humans remains unclear, especially with occasional consumption. But what is clear is that cooking mushrooms drastically reduces agaritine content. Heat breaks it down quickly, making cooked mushrooms a safer and smarter choice over the long term. Then there's the issue of digestibility. Mushrooms, unlike most plant foods, have cell walls made not of cellulose but of chitin, a tough, fibrous substance that also forms the exoskeleton of insects and crustaceans. Chitin is incredibly difficult for the human body to digest. When mushrooms are eaten raw, their tough cell walls often pass through the digestive tract intact, trapping many nutrients inside and limiting the body's ability to extract them. Cooking mushrooms begins to soften and dissolve these chitinous walls, allowing access to minerals like potassium, copper, and phosphorus, along with vital compounds like B vitamins and ergothioneine. Speaking of ergothioneine, this unique antioxidant is one of mushrooms' greatest nutritional assets. Ergothioneine helps protect cells from oxidative damage, which is linked to aging and chronic diseases like heart disease and neurodegeneration. Interestingly, heat doesn't destroy this compound. In fact, it becomes more bioavailable after cooking. Alongside glutathione, another powerful antioxidant found in mushrooms, ergothioneine levels remain stable or even increase with heat treatment, especially when mushrooms are grilled, sautéed, or microwaved. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation and may play a role in long-term cellular health. What's more, cooking mushrooms enhances their umami flavor, making them more satisfying and likely to be eaten in larger, more consistent amounts.
That's not a small thing.
A plate of roasted shiitake mushrooms or sautéed creminis can be a deeply savory, nutrient-rich addition to meals. Compare that to raw mushroom slices, which often taste bland, spongy, or even slightly metallic. Enjoyment plays a key role in how often we eat a food, and when mushrooms are cooked, they shine both nutritionally and culinarily. Of course, some people add raw mushrooms to dishes occasionally, and this isn't a cause for alarm in small quantities. But if you're regularly consuming mushrooms as part of your health routine, whether it's for their minerals, antioxidants, or cancer-fighting compounds, cooking them is the better path. It's a step that transforms them from tough, underutilized fungi into bioavailable, antioxidant-packed powerhouses. In the world of nutrition, raw doesn't always mean optimal. And mushrooms are a perfect example of how heat can unlock more health, not less. So the next time you toss mushrooms into your meal, give them a little time in the pan or on the grill. Not only will they taste better, they'll work harder for your body too.